These 5 signs scream that you really need couple therapy. It is inescapable for couples to not be in total agreement consistently and have contentions, even warmed ones, once in a while. That being said, the need of having an unmistakable thought of what is typical while what should be considered and worked upon is regularly not understood until it is past the point of no return. Besides, there are numerous who, even in the wake of seeing the warnings, can't force themselves to convince their accomplices to look for couples treatment. The best exhortation is that couples see a specialist when their battles become excessively terrible and they take longer, north of a day, to accommodate. To separate it considerably further, we have referenced 5 signs in our video, which could be going both of you towards detachment. Chat with your accomplice and correct things with the help of couples treatment. Would it be advisable for you believe as you are managing at least one of them? 1. You don't have sex anymore. As a couple progresses in their relationship, physical intimacy between them gets sidelined while other aspects gain more prominence. Meeting work deadlines, fulfilling social responsibilities along with ensuring to not miss anything out in our personal lives can easily become draining. However, that shouldn't mean you completely cut off physical acts of love with your partner and direct all your focus only to things that you can't do without. Physical intimacy plays a bigger role in the relationship than it is credited for. Though you may not notice it, a lack thereof is bound to loosen the connection you share with your lover. This is one of the things couples therapy helps you work upon. 2. You see that you are more focused on the negatives rather than the positives. Each person has certain undesirable qualities that could have been offset by their positive attributes in the primary phases of the relationship. You may have been conscious of them from the start but didn't think of them as good enough reasons for you to stop seeing them. Their relaxing company, calm nature, carefree outlook kept you hooked to them. And now that you have been together a while, you can't control your annoyance over their slackness or unmindful attitude. In fact, you have a list at your fingertips of the things you wished they changed about themselves. You can't dismiss that you must have fallen in love with them for a reason. Try out couples therapy to be reminded of what brought you both closer and become crazy about them all over again. 3. Either of you doesn't approve of the other's social networking. Social media has become an integral part of our lives, and that it's straining our relationships is a common subject nowadays. From keeping us connected to and updated about our close, or even distant, ones to being a savior during boredom, the different social networking sites are indeed a blessing. It doesn't pose a problem in the relationship if the partners have clarity on points such as to what extent they can post about their personal life or whether occasional chatting with exes is fine or not. If you are having enraged discussions while attempting to decide on these, enroll for couples therapy. You would then be able to set boundaries agreeable to both of you. 4. You're planning on tying the knot. You are about to embark on a journey for a lifetime with this person you are crazily in love with. Your excitement is uncontrollable as you are gearing up to take this big step and welcome all the changes it will bring. Even with so much euphoria around, the teeny bit of nervousness in your chest must be hard to subdue. All the questions cramming into your head require to be resolved to make your wedding the most cherishable occasion of your life. 5. The sweet honeymoon phase is over. Those ecstatic initial days when you could not keep your hands off each other or talk for hours that would feel like minutes have passed, and now you hardly have such romantic moments. It is obvious that it won't be as passionate as it was at the start of your relationship, but efforts from both the partners are needed to let one another know of what they mean to each other. You don't want to act indifferent and push them away. You may not be desirous of going for a movie when you could use the weekend to clean the house or finish your pending office assignments, but would that be worth making your beloved one feel unimportant? At this point, couples therapy is needed to help the partners have their priorities straight.
If you like this video, please click on the like button for our appreciation. For more tips, tricks, and beneficial blog, please subscribe our channel. Topmost. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon.